Okay, how are you, teacher? This is my platform, and then consists on 4 categories, and the icons is down here, and which are chosen by the user. For example, my first category is fashion here. Okay, sorry, fashion, and the next one is food, and the next one is DIY, DIY. And the next one is humor. Okay, and then this, if I want to see something about humor, put this icon in humor, and you can see the video, a photo, or text about the humor. And the fifth icon is my profile, is down here, and where I will be able to apply wherever I want. And but I will put the corresponding hashtag and category. And I think it's not necessary this app, but it's for entertainment for the people, because they can see exactly what they want, and the people will be able to see all kinds of content in the categories they want, that they can apply content and people will see in the profile the categories you use. So if you want to see my profile, you can see my 4 categories and my 4 content with corresponding hashtag and category. And I think that has many uses because, for example, you can chatting with other people, viewing different types of content, and apply different types of content. So this app is more specific with the preference to see the content. And to monetize, this app is like Instagram with hashtag, followers, likes, and yeah, that's all. And I think it's very interesting because it is what you want, no? So it's with your preferences, your categories. You can choose the categories. You can see the all type of topics. And yeah, that's all. Thank you. Bye.